If you're looking for a safe, inclusive, and stunning destination, meet the vibrant city of Lisbon, a haven for freedom, culture, and beauty. Imagine cobblestone streets hugging colorful neighborhoods, the allure of ocean breezes over its iconic red rooftops. Lisbon isn't just visually stunning. It's a hub for travelers who want their values of acceptance and diversity celebrated. LGBTQ+ travelers will feel a genuine welcome here, from the festive pride parades to intimate local cafes in the Bairro Alto district. Here's a tip. Visit in June for dazzling celebrations like Lisbon's Santos Populares Festival, where culture and inclusivity collide under glowing city streets. Hidden gem alert? Check out the LX Factory for artisan markets and trendy night spots. With its warm locals and breathtaking views, Lisbon waits, not just for discovery but for celebration. So pack your bags. This is the destination you've been waiting for. Where should we go next? Drop your dream destination below.